Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be working on this big rig, and today, as you see in the title, we are installing Auxito LED headlight bulbs for this truck. And well, reason being, one, obviously they're my sponsor, go get some, and two, if I can remember right, I think my dad said one of the headlights were out. If I could remember right, he just has some cheap eBay ones in here. That's what he said. So you can see right there. And honestly, I thought it was gonna be like a regular like car, like changing out the headlight, like just come back here, boom, like that. But no, it's not that simple. You have to take off this little plastic piece right here, these two, and you kind of have to wiggle it out. I heard that you have to be careful because there's two little like sticks right here that is on this, and you have to like make sure you don't break them. But anyways, let's turn on the headlights and see what is the problem, because yeah, like I said, he got eBay ones. Ooh, they look more yellow in the video, but yeah, I want to say this right here, it's like half out, if I'm correct. No, this is this side. I don't know. But at night, they do all right. But I know for sure with these Auxitos, because we got the brightest ones, I believe. And with Rex, they're bright. So with these are even brighter than mine. So I can't imagine how much brighter. But yeah, so these two, and then wiggle it out. 3 10 mils, 1, 2, and then 3. And we'll see how easy we can get this off. All right, guys, so I got this piece off. One of them was, the top one was broken. Guessing maybe my dad did that, but yeah, that was already broken. And then from doing my research, it's saying, oh, have it straight and just like wiggle it. And so I did that, like just like barely, and it snapped off the other one. So I was like, oh wow. So I didn't even give it that much force and it snapped off. I'm gonna let my dad do this side. 3 10 mils, boom, boom, boom. Take those off and this thing will come off. So let's get it. All right, popped it off. Now about to put the new one in. This thing looking fresh. I think this looks bigger than the one Rex has, and then it has like a little rubber piece right here, assuming for water and stuff like that. But yeah, other than that, just twist it clockwise to lock it in, like so. Boom, got that in. And now, just gonna go ahead and zip tie this to this cable, or to this wire, and plug it in. Be right back. So before I reinstall it, I have it plugged in. I have it pretty organized down there. I'm gonna test it out, see if it works. Well, actually, it should work. Oh, it looks pretty bright. Oh, and my dad's home. Holy shoot, that is bright. Holy shoot, that is bright. Woo. It's hard to tell on camera, but that is bright. Compared to this, oh yeah, you could tell. Dang. Those are gonna be crazy, because look at that. Yeah. So, I'm gonna go ahead, reinstall it, and then have my dad take off the other side. Got this side off. My dad was able to pop it off without breaking the little clips right there. And he cleaned up the headlights too, because they were all nasty. So they're nice and clear. Got the other side in, got it pretty organized. Well, can't really see it, but yeah, pretty organized down there. He's gonna put on that little piece and
Grease it up a little bit.
Oh yeah, grease up the little things so they don't get stuck. Pop in, and then the clips, and then we can turn them on. So we're trying out the bulbs, and wow, they are pretty bright. Well, I mean, where's the car? Oh, well, I mean, they're LEDs, so he thinks like they're like high beams. Well, basically, he's put on his high beams and they barely do anything. Like the high beams barely do anything. But I think since it's kind of like eye level with me, like almost. Oh yeah, the high beams barely work. But yeah, other than that, they seem pretty good. Look at that. I'm gonna stand like right next to the headlight. Dude, that is awesome. So I'm gonna go off-roading. It'd be nice. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. And well, those are some pretty bright headlights, or I should say bulbs, because yeah. So I've been slacking on videos, so I've probably said it in a couple past videos now, but I've been slacking now. But basically that video was from before Streets of Willow, and if you guys haven't watched it, go and watch it because that was a pretty fun day. And yeah, so on the way to Streets of Willow, we left at like 5 in the morning, so it was dark. And dude, those lights were bright. I guess he didn't adjust the headlights right, or didn't adjust them, I should say. So on the way over there with the trailer, the truck was kind of slanted up like this, just a little bit. So it would kind of point the lights up, and which, as you saw, the lights are bright. It was kind of blinding the other drivers. So I was behind, and I can see the drivers coming towards us. They were flashing us because they thought there was the high beams, but nope. So yeah. So my dad, he went ahead and brought them down, and they're pretty good. So way better than the eBay ones. So I would highly recommend go to Auxito, get some bulbs for your car, because they're worth it. Click the link in the description below and get you guys some LED bulbs for your car, and use code SV15 to save 15% off on your order. So if you guys like today's video, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and family, share the link with friends and family as well, subscribe with that notification bell on. Until next time.